What if I told you that some of the world's most naturally blonde people don't live in Europe? No, not Scandinavia. Not America. Deep in the Pacific, on remote islands, you'll find children with dark skin and bright blonde hair. No dye. No mixed ancestry. No European influence. For decades, scientists were confused. Was it the sun? Saltwater? Something genetic no one understood? Because this wasn't just rare. It shouldn't exist, at least, not according to what we thought we knew about human genetics. But when researchers finally uncovered the truth, they discovered something even more shocking. This wasn't borrowed from anywhere else. It evolved completely on its own. Before we dive into the main story, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell notification button for more interesting video like this. Far from the modern world, across the islands of the Pacific, lies a region known as Melanesia. Places like Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands are home to some of the most genetically diverse populations on Earth. And among them is a phenomenon that has fascinated scientists for years: naturally blonde hair in people with dark skin. At first glance, it challenges everything we associate with human appearance. Because globally, blonde hair is most commonly linked to European populations. So how did it appear here, thousands of miles away? The scientific breakthrough. For years, myths spread that it came from European sailors, that it was caused by diet or environment, that ocean water bleached the hair. But none of these explanations held up. Then, in 2012, researchers studying populations in the Solomon Islands made a breakthrough. They discovered a unique genetic variant in a gene called TRP1. This gene affects how the body produces melanin, the pigment responsible for hair and skin color. And here's the shocking part. The version of this gene found in Melanesians is completely different from the one responsible for blonde hair in Europeans. Meaning, blonde hair evolved independently in this population. This is known as convergent evolution, when similar traits appear in different groups without shared origin. This discovery challenged long-standing assumptions about human genetics. It showed that physical traits can evolve in multiple ways. Human diversity is far more complex than we once believed, and our understanding of appearance is often shaped by limited perspectives. In fact, in some regions of the Solomon Islands, a significant percentage of the population carries this trait. Children are often born with bright blonde hair, which may darken slightly with age, but remains striking. But this isn't just about hair color. It's about how science continues to uncover hidden stories about humanity. Melanesia is one of the most genetically diverse places on Earth, with populations that have been isolated for tens of thousands of years. This isolation allowed unique traits to develop, including this rare genetic variation. And here's the part that makes this even more fascinating. Scientists believe there are still many undiscovered genetic traits hidden in isolated populations around the world. Which raises a bigger question: how much of human history and biology are we still getting wrong? Because sometimes, the most extraordinary truths aren't found in the places we expect. They're hidden in the places we've barely explored. For more videos like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.